Welcome to our deep dive into the current state of AI in the workplace. Artificial intelligence has moved from a futuristic concept to a core strategic pillar for enterprises worldwide. Today, we're exploring how organizations are moving beyond simple experimentation and into full-scale adoption. This shift is rapidly accelerating, impacting productivity, decision-making, and workforce dynamics. We'll discuss the strategic imperatives for modern enterprises to navigate this new era. Let's start by looking at the critical tipping point AI adoption has reached. We are witnessing a massive tipping point in AI adoption. The enterprise AI market is projected to grow significantly, indicating a fundamental shift. Nearly 80% of organizations now report active AI usage, a substantial jump from last year. But the real story isn't just that they're using it, it's that they're scaling it. Over 30% of companies have successfully deployed AI enterprise-wide, signaling that AI is no longer a nice-to-have, but a fundamental business requirement. This transition from AI-curious to AI-first operational models is largely driven by one key technology, which we'll explore next. Generative AI has been the primary engine behind this transformation. Unlike previous waves of AI that required deep data science expertise, generative AI tools are accessible to everyone. This democratization allows teams to automate content creation, synthesize massive amounts of data, and deliver hyper-personalized customer experiences at scale. Generative AI is responsible for the majority of new AI initiatives in 2025, significantly reducing time to value. It's truly a foundation for future autonomous workflows. So what's driving this rapid enterprise investment? We'll explore that next. Enterprises are investing heavily in AI for clear strategic reasons. CEOs recognize AI as a competitive necessity, with 74% believing it will reshape their industry within 2 years. Organizations are targeting significant improvements in operational efficiency, aiming for 20% to 40% gains. AI also accelerates innovation, shortening research and development cycles and bringing products to market faster. Finally, it helps retain talent by automating drudge work, allowing employees to focus on higher value tasks. These drivers are leading to measurable productivity gains across various departments, which we'll see next. The productivity gains from AI are no longer theoretical. They are measurable and impactful across key departments. In software development, we're seeing coding cycles cut by 55% with AI-assisted tools. Customer support benefits from a 40% reduction in average handle time through AI-powered knowledge bases. Marketing and sales are experiencing a 30% increase in lead conversion thanks to predictive analytics and automated outreach. These examples demonstrate how AI acts as a force multiplier, allowing teams to achieve more with the same resources. And this is just the beginning. The next frontier involves AI agents and autonomous workflows. We have discussed how AI is driving measurable productivity gains across departments. Now let's look at the next evolution, AI agents. These aren't just passive assistants, they're proactive entities capable of complex, multi-step reasoning. Think of an AI that doesn't just answer a question, but actually goes out and executes a task across your enterprise software. This shift towards autonomous workflows is a game changer, and it is predicted that nearly half of all enterprise applications will embed these AI agents very soon. This means AI will move from being a tool you use to an active participant in your business processes. But for these AI agents to truly thrive, they need a solid foundation, which brings us to our next point. The success of these advanced AI agents, and indeed any AI initiative, hinges entirely on your data strategy. You see, AI is only as good as the data it consumes. It's the classic garbage in, garbage out scenario. This means investing in robust data infrastructure like centralized data lakes and real-time processing is non-negotiable. It's not just about collecting data, it's about governing it properly and integrating it seamlessly across your legacy systems. Without clean, well-managed data, your AI efforts will struggle to deliver real value. But even with great data, we still have to consider the risks. As we build these powerful AI systems, we must also navigate significant security, ethical, and compliance risks. Data privacy is paramount. We need to prevent sensitive company information from leaking into public AI models. Then there's the critical issue of bias and fairness, ensuring our algorithms don't perpetuate or amplify existing inequalities. And let's not forget the rapidly evolving regulatory landscape with new laws like the EU AI Act setting global standards. Finally, we have to manage shadow AI, where employees use unapproved tools which can create huge vulnerabilities. Addressing these challenges is crucial for responsible AI adoption. But technology and data are only part of the equation. Ultimately, AI adoption isn't just a technical challenge, it's a human one. There is a significant skills gap, with many workers needing new training to effectively collaborate with AI. We need to foster a cultural shift, moving from a fear of replacement to a mindset of augmentation, where AI is seen as a partner. Leadership plays a vital role here, communicating a clear vision and establishing ethical guardrails. And it all boils down to continuous learning, creating internal AI academies to ensure our workforce evolves alongside the technology. Because without the right people, even the best AI won't deliver its full potential. After discussing the human element, let's talk about how we measure success. Proving the return on investment for AI isn't just about cost savings, it's about driving real business value. The good news is that nearly 3/4 of enterprises see a positive return on investment within the first year. This isn't just about cutting costs, though that's part of it. We're seeing improvements in customer satisfaction, faster time to market for new products, and even better employee engagement. These are all critical metrics for long-term growth. Now let's look at what the future holds. Building on those return on investment discussions, the future of AI in business points toward the autonomous enterprise. This vision means moving beyond simple automation to systems that are self-managing and self-optimizing. We're talking about hyper-personalization, where every customer and employee experience is uniquely tailored. We'll see more AI processing data right at the source, known as Edge AI, for faster and more secure operations. Ultimately, this isn't about replacing people, it's about creating a more powerful human AI collaboration where every employee has a digital co-pilot. So how do you get there? We'll discuss that next. To wrap up, your roadmap to AI maturity starts with a clear understanding of your data. You need to audit your data readiness to ensure a strong foundation. Then identify those high-impact, low-risk use cases where AI can deliver immediate value. But remember, the most crucial investment is in your people. You must invest in training and foster a culture of collaboration. Finally, establish clear ethical and security guardrails to manage risks effectively. The best time to start this journey was yesterday, but the second best time is definitely today.